Welcome to my channel, where I'll be recreating step-by-step looks for makeup artists. For my first look, I will be recreating this beautiful maroon halo eye. I recreated this look from Deanna Maria on Instagram. I'll put the link for her Instagram below. Today, I will be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and the 39A Artistry palette. To start, I use a Tarte Shape Tape as a primer. Using a Morphe M410 brush, I pick up the shade Create on the 39A palette to make a line on my crease. Then, I use a clean Morphe M433 brush to blend and diffuse the lines. Next, I grab the shade Passion using the same brush to blend both shades together, also bringing down this shade to my outer V. I use the color called Define Me with the M441 brush along my brow bone to blend all the edges and have a smooth finish. Using the brush M506 with the color Soda Pop from the Jaclyn Hill palette, I blend the colors on the outer V and inner V, stopping just below my crease. Then, mixing the first two colors on top of Soda Pop to create the dark purple. It doesn't matter if you get the shadow in the center, you're going to clean it with concealer. I decided to add Soda Pop to my crease to give it more depth using the M410 brush, making sure I connect it to both my outer and inner V. I grabbed the M433 brush with the first two colors to blend Soda Pop on the crease. Using the brush M224 to cut the crease, pat the brush on the center of the lid and look slightly up to find your crease. Put concealer in the center of your lid to create a halo effect. I like to go over it with a clean finger to get the excess off. Using M506 brush with all three shades, blend in the edges to form your halo, going in towards your lash line and farther out towards your crease on both in and outer V. Using the shade Faint on M124 brush, I spray some MAC Fix Plus to make it pop and pack it on, keeping this color on the center of my lid. I use the M456 brush I used before to blend in the corners towards the center. I don't pick up more color, just alternate brushes, moving the shades around to blend them together. Once I am satisfied with my blending, my shadow is done. I will do my liner off camera. I'll be back to finish the glitter. I use a Jcat glitter in Amazing Gold, using a 99-cent store glitter for the brush. I dip the brush in glue, then in the glitter. The tip of the brush makes it easy to apply glitter as a liner. Keeping the brush on top of my liner, I make a thin line. It's okay to go over your liner with the glitter since we are going over the liner again to clean it up. Make a thin line right above the crease, just where we created the halo effect. Using an M410 brush, I pick up the shade Soda Pop and pack it on as close to my waterline as I can, so it will blend with my liner. I buff it out with the first two shades on an M152 brush. I like putting mascara on my lower lashes. And here is the look, all done. The lashes are Ardell Faux Mink. Loved this look for a night out, or if you're extra like me, just for an everyday look. If you liked my video, please click the thumbs up. I also have an Instagram account and a Twitter account. I will share the link in the description. I post new looks every Monday and Thursday. Let me know if you want me to recreate a look. I feel like there are so many makeup artists on Twitter and Instagram but do not have tutorials, and I would gladly make one to make it easier for you to recreate, and we will all learn together.